In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Access ODBC driver. We'll start by getting Microsoft Access onto your PC through your Microsoft 365 portal. Open your web browser, head to office.com, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in the home page, look toward the top right corner and click Install Apps. Instead of taking the default package right away, choose the option labeled Other Install Options or Apps and Devices. This page lets you confirm that Microsoft Access is included because it's often not part of the standard app bundle by default. When you see the correct installer, click it to download it to your computer. Take a quick moment to note whether your Office installation is 32-bit or 64-bit. Your ODBC driver needs to match the bitness of the application that will use it. If you're unsure, you can usually check your existing Office build later, but for most modern setups, 64-bit is common. Open the downloaded .exe file and follow the on-screen prompts to install. Keep your browser and other applications closed to speed things up, and allow the installer to complete without interruption. When it's finished, use the Windows Start menu and search for Access. Launching it once is a simple way to confirm the installation succeeded. Next, set up the ODBC connection. Open the Start menu again and type ODBC. You'll see two tools, ODBC Data Sources, 32-bit, and ODBC Data Sources, 64-bit. Choose the one that matches the bitness of the app that will connect to Access. Many older applications are 32-bit, many newer ones are 64-bit. In the ODBC Data Source Administrator, go to the System DSN tab. System DSNs are available to all users and services on the machine, which is ideal for scheduled tasks and server processes. Click Add to create a new entry. From the list of drivers, select Microsoft Access Driver upon MDB, ACCDB, then click Finish. In the configuration window, provide a clear data source name so you can recognize it later. Click Select to browse to your Access database file. Newer databases typically use the .accdb format, while older ones may use .mdb. Pick the database file in its permanent location to avoid broken connections if it's moved later. That's it. You've installed Microsoft Access and configured the Access ODBC driver with a System DSN ready for your applications to connect. If you set this up on another PC later, use the same DSN name to keep your applications consistent and avoid reconfiguration.